Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix CapCut template not showing in CapCut apps. So I will be show you how to fix on Android and iOS. So if you use Android, just follow the step. Go to phone settings, select application and find CapCut and select it. Clear cache and data, select enable all permission and restart, and then open the CapCut again. So for iOS you can follow the step. Go to phone setting, select general, select language and region, choose country you like, go back and select VPN, tap on add VPN configuration, just select off, open the CapCut again. So for the configuration of VPN, just click off on the proxy. So that's how to fix the CapCut template now showing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I think this is information, not tutorial.